Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel again. I am OTJOSH and I will be taking some live trades based on volume and price analysis using buyers and sellers pressure to determine the direction of the market in the long term. Okay, so let's see what we have here. We can see buyers are losing momentum. They are losing pressure, as you can see that from this candlestick and this candlestick and the volume. 113 compared to the previous 117, so we can see that the buyers are losing momentum. So now if they are losing momentum, therefore this should be sellers volume, sellers pressure at that point. These are sellers taking the market down, and if the market should, okay, I think now, okay, 113, 112. Okay, no problem. If the price comes up to this point here, I will be using this high level as a resistance to do a put trade, because although this might be an uptrend, the market will be coming downward. That is how it goes. And if you look closely, you can see that this wick here, and this wick here is forming a support level for price. Okay, as you can see, yes, it's forming a support level and price may break down, and when it does, okay, you see what I'm trying to say. When the price comes here, I was going to do a put trade. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, I won't be doing any put trade anymore, because I don't think that the price will continue to go down now. I missed this opportunity. I won't be doing a put trade. I'll wait to see what's going to happen, because this candlestick with this high volume here is showing me that the selling pressure is low, is weak. Although the volume is high, but you can see this body is bigger than this body. The volume is supposed to correspond, but it's not corresponding, so it signifies weakness in sellers pressure. Signifies an upcoming uptrend, an upcoming reversal, and as we can see, that is what is happening now. Excuse me, I will be back shortly. Okay, I'm back. I had to attend to a call, sorry about that. Okay, so now I think the market will be going up, not down anymore. Let's see. Yes, I believe it will be going up. Or did I make a mistake? I don't think so. Okay, long term, I think it will be going up now. Yeah, it will be breaking this high, although this is acting as a resistance, but I believe it will close above my entry points for this one time. So let's wait and see how it goes, and then we'll go to our next two trades. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see, it's Christmas period, the volume is really low, so I will advise you don't trade at this time. When I trade, I just take very few trades so that I can be out of them. Okay, you see, it ended up as a draw. You see, it's a draw, so we'll take the trade again. Let's wait and see. I believe, okay, it will be coming down. I wanted to do a put trade from this wick here, but with my analysis from this candlestick and the volume, it shows that yes, the market will come down, not really upward. That's why I did that put trade. So we'll wait and see how it goes, because I believe at the end it will definitely close as a red as a red candle. So let's wait. To have some 10 seconds left, and at this point, what I can see now is that the selling pressure is strongly in the market, so we'll continue to go with sellers from that point, from this resistance. If price comes up to this resistance again, oh, I am frustrated. This market the movements of the candlestick are really giving headaches, but that's the market. We just have to wait. Let me delete my trading alerts. Okay, we just have to wait for the market. That's how it behaves. So let's wait and see. This should have been a good put trade from this level, but we couldn't get the opportunity, so we wait. And now I think there will be another opportunity. Let me see the volume. Okay, the same volume. I think I'll do a put. So I'm doing a put here, although the volume is slightly the same, and the candlestick is kind of the same as well, and the direction is downward, and the next level where buyers can come in is here. So I'm looking at the space between here and here. The price may tend to cover it like it's doing now. So using this information, I'm doing a put trade, and it is covering it, and it's going further down to this next point where I believe buyers will come in. Okay, this next point where I believe, okay, buyers will not even come in from here, because we started seeing weakness in buyers from this candlestick. So we'll wait, and this should have been our last trade, but no, we'll wait for the last trade. So okay, so let's see what we have here. Now, from now, I believe the price will continue to go down, and I think I should be doing a put trade, but I won't do it because the expiration time is over. The price is far away from the point where I would love to trade from. So let's wait. After this candle, we'll look at what we have and we'll trade. Oh, okay. So we see that sellers are strong here. From this point down, they are strong. So if this candlestick closes like this, I will definitely be looking for a rejection. Once the price goes up, I get a rejection, I will do a put, because this is what this candle comes from. Okay, it's not getting it, but I want this candlestick is going to give me a bearish, but I want price to get a rejection from this point. If it can go up and then a rejection, I'll do. Not happening. Okay, I did a put. Oh, now it's for 1 minute. Well, it's good because the entry point could not appear at the running time of this candle. So this candle is going to the direction is going to unfold at the before the next 2 minutes. So doing this now, it's a very good way to trade, especially when you are experienced. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. So this candlestick, there are two situations here, because from here we can see selling pressure, but from here we have buying pressure. So to confirm this buying pressure, this candlestick here will confirm it. If this wick is going to get okay, no, it's not getting it, so selling pressure is still on. So let's wait. The selling pressure is still on. Let's wait to see. And please, I would love you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have a question. So you can also share this video to your friends in case they want to gain some knowledge, and I would so much appreciate it, because it costs nothing from your part, just a click of the button, like the way we make money. Okay, so let me come back to the explanation of this trade. I am going to remove I'm going to hide these indicators so that we can see our charts clearly. Okay, so for those of you who are serious, who wants to understand how the markets work, I'm going to show you now. Okay, now let me start from here. Please, I need you to pay attention. I'll start from here. Now if you look at this candlestick, here, this is a buying pressure candlestick. Why? Because the lower wick is bigger than the upper wick. Now this is a buying pressure candlestick with a volume that is small. Now it's good because the previous buying pressure was stronger than this buying pressure, the volume was stronger than it, so and then validation, the market goes up. Once again, this candlestick came now with a strong bullish movement upward, and what happened to the volume? The volume increased as well. It's a good and valid move. Yes. Now looking at here, we have a value area. If you watch my first explanation video, I told you about this, that this is the real D. This number here, this is the real D. This is what we are talking about. This is what we are trading, not this price. These are just indication of this number. So let me explain now. Because this candlestick is valid, look at the volume, look at the candlestick is valid. This candlestick reversing here is not a selling candlestick. It is a buying candlestick. It becomes a buying candlestick, and if it's a buying candlestick, this candlestick has validated this level. So any candlestick coming back here will be a buying candlestick, buying pressure. And with this buying pressure here, you see no wick, high volume. So in that case, call trade here. Now when this call trade came, what happened? The buying pressure reduced. How did I know? Because of this volume. Now the volume reduced here. Can you see what I'm saying? When the volume reduced here, I will definitely know that if there is no volume, no buyers volume here, at this point it should be sellers. That was why when this candlestick appeared with a low volume, I said, okay, when the candle goes back up, I'm going to do a put trade. Now, even though this candlestick appeared with low volume, why am I doing a put trade? Why did I want to do a put trade? It's very simple. This candlestick body is smaller than this candlestick body. The volume is smaller than the volume, so it's valid. You continue with the price action here. But I didn't do this put trade. We went ahead to get where the buyers are coming from again. Once again, the buyers are weak, just like this candle. The buyers once again are weak. Why? Because of the volume. So when the buyers are weak, I looked at this candlestick. The candlestick is small compared to this, and this candlestick here, this volume here is also small, so this move is valid. Now this is where I made my mistake, because nobody is perfect, we all make mistakes. At this point I was supposed to do a put, or I should have had to wait, but I went ahead to do a call trade because I saw these two valid moves, but I didn't see that this valid move is showing weakness in buying pressure. So I did a call trade and I got a draw. This is why I got this draw here. So at this point I was supposed to wait for this candle to finish. When this candle finished, I'm seeing the low volume and the low spread is valid, confirming this newly formed level. I should have done the put here with this candlestick. So that is that for the first trade that we drew. Go ahead to the second trade. It is the second trade. I think it's clear now why I did the second trade here. I'll explain just like I did. So a continuation from the first explanation, I'll tell you why I did the second trade. Lows, I have a resistance. Here. I have a low spread and a confirmed low volume with it. A low spread and a low volume is a valid move by the market. It's not manipulative, it's valid. So when I see a low spread red candle here, small candle, a low volume at a resistance level, obviously I'll do a put trade here. So this is how we got our trade. And then the next candlestick, the next trade is okay, the next trade is simple as that. Look at these 3 candles, they are synchronized well. Now I want you to remember something. I told you earlier on that from here that buyers lost momentum. Why? Because you can see how this strong candlestick, stronger than this candlestick, has a little volume. How this strong candlestick, stronger than this candlestick, have a little volume. So this shows that buyers have lost momentum here. You understand? Buyers have lost momentum. So if buyers have lost momentum here, the sellers that are selling won't be scared that buyers are coming in, because they've really lost momentum 2 times. So if you are looking at this valid move, having in mind that buyers have lost momentum here, look at this candlestick, small. This candlestick is small with a small volume, which is valid. Candlestick is bigger with a big volume, which is valid. Now this candlestick is big, but not as big as this, and the volume is high and not as high as this, so this is valid as well. Now, having these 3 clues in mind, and knowing that buyers are weak at this level, which may stop price from falling down, and knowing that buyers are also weak at this level, which may stop price from falling down, what will you do? You go with the puts. As simple as that. It's a very simple logic. That's how we did this puts trade. And then the last one was a trade that got, I know most people may not understand why I did the trade here. It was a mistake. I was going to do just a 1 minute put here, but then I did not, because I was seeing after this trade we took, what happened. We saw that everything was legit here. Even this last trade shows selling pressure, and so the next trade here, if everything is okay within this first candlestick, if these candlesticks are legit, these ones here, legit based on volume and price, everything is falling into place, and this candlestick came with a high volume. Now look at this candlestick. Now it's legit. It's the smallest candlestick in this row, but it has the smallest volume as well. So it means that the price will still go down because everything is valid. It's okay. Sorry, this is the smallest, and this is the second to smallest, and you see the volume is the second to smallest at this point. But to make a good trade, you always need a key level, and this wick up here is presenting the point where you can trade. Now when this candle started, it was going down. It was not providing that, it was not coming up to this good point to trade, and I was waiting and waiting. I was looking at the time, at the same time waiting. At the end of the expiration, it came up, and then I did a put trade, knowing that my trade is going to enter above this wick here, and the market will go down. This is the reason why I did the put trade here, and so the market went down. So like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, leave a comment at the comment section. Until next time, bye bye. Happy Christmas to each and every one of you. Bye.